Topic 5, last topic, word problems. Save the best for last, right? Alright guys, so when we do word problems, since we just practiced so much of solving and everything, we're going to turn the word problem into an equation and then we're going to solve. Alright, so let's see what it says here. A large number is 5 more than twice a small number. So I have two numbers here. So I have a small number I'm going to let that be equal to x because I don't know what the small number is. And then the large number, I know a little bit about the large number. The large number is 5 more than twice the small number. 5 more than twice the small number, so 2 times the small number, and then 5 more. Okay, now what? It says the sum is 80. So meaning that if I add the two numbers together, so if I add x and 2x plus 5, if I sum them up, that equals to 80. Well, that's a pretty easy equation to solve. So 1 plus 2 is 3x plus 5 equals 80. And then subtract 5, move that over. So 2x equals 75, and then divide by 3, so I have x equals 25. 75 divided by 3 is 25. Alright, well, what did I find? I found the small number because x is a small number. So I found that x is equal to 25. The small number is equal to 25. Then what is the large number equal to? Well, let's see. That's 2 times 25 because x is 25 plus 5. 2 times 25, that's 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. So that means that my two numbers are 25 and 55. And their sum has to be 80. Let's check if their sum is 80. I'm pretty sure it is. 25 plus 55 is, the sum is 80. There you go. So that's that. Here's the second problem. As part of the government class, Maddie and Ryan had to log volunteer hours in their community. Ryan volunteered for 1 more than 3 times the number of hours that Maddie did. So Maddie had some hours. I don't know how many she had, but I'll just say that she had X number of hours. And then Ryan volunteered for 1 more than 3 times. So 3 times the Maddie's hours plus 1 more of that. So there's that. Altogether, they volunteered for 45 hours. So x plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 45. And so let's see, how many hours did Ryan volunteer? Let's check. So that's 4x. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So that's 4x equals, subtract 1 on both sides. So that's 44. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 44 divided by 4 is 11. Now, I found x, and x represents Maddie's hours. So she had 11 hours, which means that Ryan had 3 times 11 plus 1. So 33 plus 1 is 34 hours. So Ryan volunteered for 34 hours. I don't know if I should say for 34 hours, but the answer is 34 hours. Alright, last one. A rectangle has a length 6 inches less than twice its width. Okay, so you have a rectangle, okay, and it has the length So a rectangle has a length and a width. It says the length is 6 inches less than twice the width. So the length is 6 inches less than. So less than means you have to kind of switch it. Twice the width. So 2w minus 6. It says that the perimeter of the rectangle is 64. So the perimeter is when you add up all of the sides together. So we have a nice formula for that. So that's perimeter is equal to 2 times your width, because you have 2 widths here, right? Plus 2 times your length, because you have two lengths here. So let me just go ahead and fill in all of the things that I know. It has, the perimeter is 54, so P is 54. And then I'm going to say 2W plus, sorry, I got interrupted. So this is 2 times the length, which is 2W minus 6. And there you go. Now we're just going to solve for W. First of all, it's asking us to find the dimensions. So basically it's asking you to find what the width is and what the length is from what they give us. Okay, so let's go ahead and simplify everything. So you have 2W plus 2 times 2 is 4W, and then 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. So 2 plus 6 is, 2 plus 4 is 6, W, and then keep solving. 54 plus 12 is 66, equals 6W, and then divide by 6, you have W equals 11 inches. So if W equals 11 inches, then that means this has to be 2 times 11 minus 6, which is 22 minus 6, which is, I don't know, 22 minus 6. Is 16. So 16 right there. So that's the length. So length is 16, where your width is 11. So sometimes we like to write the dimensions like this. This is 11 inches by 16-inch rectangle. There you go. That's that, guys. Thank you.